Did you know that you could use your FSA or HSA to get the GolfForever swing trainer for 35% off? Hey guys, what's going on? This is John from Friends with Your Benefits. Today we will show you how a letter of medical necessity can help you use your HSA or FSA dollars to pay for fitness equipment, which can be great, especially if you have leftover FSA dollars towards the end of the plan year. Stay tuned, you're not going to want to miss this. Now, to begin, many of you know that with the health savings account or the flexible spending account, also known as the HSA and the FSA, the purpose of these accounts is to help you save for healthcare expenses on a pre-tax basis, and ultimately money goes into the HSA and the FSA on a pre-tax basis, and as long as it's used for a qualified medical expense, those dollars come out of the spending account on a tax-free basis. Now, typically a qualified healthcare expense can include paying for your office visit copay when you see your healthcare provider, or perhaps paying for your prescription drugs when you pick them up from your local pharmacy. Now, typically you can't use your HSA or FSA for everyday items such as paying for toothpaste or toothbrushes. Now, here's where the letter of medical necessity can be a game changer. So, ultimately, a letter of medical necessity is essentially a letter from your healthcare provider that states that you need a specific item or treatment or service to help treat an underlying medical condition. And a letter of medical necessity can be used to pay for things such as gym memberships or fitness equipments, as long as its underlying purpose is to help treat a medical condition. Now, for example, let's say you're having lower back pain. Your physician might recommend that you use the GolfForever swing trainer to help improve your core muscles and flexibility as part of your overall treatment plan. Now, here are the steps on how to use your HSA or FSA to cover fitness equipment or a gym membership. So, first things first, schedule a doctor's appointment. When you're with your doctor, describe your overall condition and bring evidence or literature to support why a particular item can help with your overall medical condition. If your doctor agrees, ask them to write the letter of medical necessity and make sure it includes a diagnosis of whatever medical condition that you happen to have and the particular item that you're looking to purchase. Number two, before you make your purchase, check with your plan administrator and make sure that they'll accept a letter of medical necessity for either your HSA or FSA accounts. Number three, you buy the equipment. You either use your HSA or FSA card directly, or alternatively, you pay out of pocket and apply for reimbursement. And when you do, you'll need to submit the receipt and provide documentation of the letter of medical necessity. Now, here's how you can get the GolfForever swing trainer for 35% off. Let's say the retail price of the GolfForever swing trainer is $200 and your marginal tax rate is 35%. If you're able to use your HSA or FSA card for it, you'll essentially save 35% or $70. Multiply this benefit across multiple purchases or healthcare expenses, and the savings really adds up. Now, the GolfForever swing trainer is more than just a golf training aid. It is specifically designed to improve core strength, flexibility, and balance, help with rehabilitation or recovery from certain medical conditions that can be golf related. With a letter of medical necessity, this kind of specialized equipment can become part of your wellness routine using tax advantage funds. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy.